Have you ever had a killer app idea but then hit a wall when it comes to turning that spark into something real? Maybe you've scribbled down a concept in your notebook or had a light bulb moment in the shower, only to feel overwhelmed by the next steps. Yeah, I've been there. Bridging the gap between wild ideas and actual tech, it's the big challenge for every app developer. It's easy to get stuck, staring at a blank screen, wondering how to even begin. Let's talk about how to close that gap with innovative solutions. Whether you're a solo creator or part of a team, there are practical steps you can take to bring your vision to life. First up, keep it simple. I know it sounds cliche, but hear me out. Every world-changing app started as a simple answer to a real problem. The best ideas are often the ones that solve a single pain point and do it really well. Don't get lost in features you might need. Focus on one core function and nail it. If you can't explain your app's purpose in one sentence, it's time to trim the fat. Simplicity is your best friend, especially in the early stages. Now here's something I wish I learned sooner. Build with tools that are flexible, not just flashy. It's tempting to chase the latest trends, but what really matters is how quickly you can adapt and iterate. There's always a shiny new framework or language, but the best tech is the stuff that lets you ship faster and iterate. Choose tools that help you move quickly, test ideas, and pivot when you need to. Think React Native, Flutter, or even low-code platforms. These aren't just buzzwords, they're powerful ways to get your app in users' hands without months of groundwork. These tools break down the wall between your ideas and a working prototype. You can see your vision come to life in days, not months, and start gathering feedback right away. You don't need to reinvent the wheel every time. Leverage what's already out there. Templates, starter kits, and reusable components can save you hours, if not weeks. Also, never underestimate the power of collaboration. Even if you're working solo, bouncing ideas off others can spark new perspectives and help you spot blind spots. That means talking to users early. Get their feedback, fast. The sooner you know what works and what doesn't, the better your app will be. I like to whip up a quick MVP and let real people poke holes in it. Don't be afraid to show your work before it's perfect. Imperfection is where the learning happens. Their insights will shape your tech choices. And trust me, it'll save you tons of time down the road. User feedback is like a compass pointing you toward what matters most. Let's not forget APIs and open source libraries. These are the secret weapons of modern app development, letting you add powerful features without starting from scratch. There's a whole world of solutions out there waiting for you to plug in, instead of building everything from scratch. From authentication to maps to payment systems, someone's already solved most of your problems. Why solve problems twice? Save your energy for the parts of your app that truly set it apart. By stacking existing tech, you can focus your energy on what makes your app unique. That's where the magic happens, when you combine proven solutions in new ways. But here's the real secret sauce. Stay curious. Curiosity is what keeps you learning, growing, and pushing boundaries. Tech moves fast, but curiosity moves you faster. The more you explore, the more creative solutions you'll find to the problems you face. Experiment, break stuff, ask questions nobody's asking. Don't be afraid to try something unconventional, even if it means failing a few times along the way. The bridge between ideas and tech is built by people willing to try, fail, and try again. Every setback is a lesson, and every lesson brings you closer to your goal. So, next time you've got an idea burning in your brain, don't let the technical details stop you. Remember, every great app started with someone who was willing to take the first step, even if they didn't have all the answers. Start scrappy, learn as you go, and use every tool at your disposal. The journey from idea to app is rarely a straight line, but that's what makes it exciting. In the end, innovation isn't about having all the answers. It's about building the bridge, one step at a time. Every small win adds up, and before you know it, you'll have something real to share with the world. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on turning your ideas into reality. We're all in this together, learning and building as we go. See you in the next one.